one time. Now this is the last song you're doing with me this week. We've done 3 songs, and this is the last one. So, I don't know, 5B's been doing really great at singing it out like Beyonce, so I'd like to hear it a little bit stronger from y'all. Sound good? Do you all want to go through it one more time, or do you want to sing it all together? You want to go through it one more time? Okay. We're going to sing it once, and then we're going to sing it together, okay? So you guys remember what the beat is. So, when I need a story real quick, there's a thing that does the trick. Wait, when I need to tell a story real quick, there's a little thing that does the trick. I take out all the fluff and fruit stuff, make a point, and that's enough. You remember? Yeah. Good? You think you can do it? Yeah. Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3. When I need to tell a story real quick, there's a little thing that does the trick. I take out all the fluff and fruit stuff, make a point, and that's enough. Good job, guys. So today we're going to talk about summarization. Can anybody tell me what summarizing is? Yes. So summarizing is when you pick out the most important thing from a passage. Does anybody have any other ideas too?
It's like retelling the story in your own words.
When you tell a story in your own words, yes.
You can use factual opinions.
Sometimes you can use factual opinions. Yes.
It's like memorizing important things and what you read.
Memorize important things. So summarization is when you take, if I was to tell you a story, and I was going to tell you how Miss Baggett's weekend went, would you want to hear every little detail? Would you want me to tell you I got up at 9 o'clock on Saturday and I had eggs for breakfast? No. Would that be boring? Would you probably fall asleep? Yes, it would be boring. And if I told you anything important, you probably wouldn't hear it because you'd be so bored by everything else I told you, right? You'd be like, okay, I'm tired of you talking. You can be quiet now. So, that's what's important about summarization. You take a lot of information, your context, a song, a poem, anything, and taking the main idea out of it. So, for example, can anybody think of any time that you might summarize? When would it be important to summarize? Why don't you try to? Yeah.
When you're reading something that's very detailed.
Something that's very detailed. In our story, we have a lot of details, don't we? We do. Remember how we use visualization with all the hills and everything? Is that the main, like the main important fact of the story? No. Yes.
You might use summarizing when you're a lawyer.
When you're a lawyer, you have to read the affidavit. Yeah, that's all. Doing textual there. Yeah. Writing an essay. Yes.
Like if you people write the newspaper, and you don't want to tell like every single thing that happened, but you tell the important things.
Tell the important things. Right. Yes.
When you're like reading an article.
When you're reading an article. Ortiz, did you? What?
So if you're doing your college essay.
When you're doing your college essay, the resume, all of that, it's telling everything important. You wouldn't want to tell every little detail in your resume, right? You want to give a brief overview. Now, why is summarization important when you're reading? Yes.
It helps you understand the text better.
It helps you understand the text better. Does it also help you have a little bit of deeper connection with the text? If I'm reading and I had to tell y'all why I thought chapter 1 of Roll of Thunder, Hear My Cry was important, I would really have to think about the information, wouldn't I? Yes. So I'd have to do that. We are going to look at a little bit of this slideshow. We're probably going to just go to the nursery rhymes of it. Here, I'm actually just going to scroll on down. Okay. So, oh, nope. I don't think correct slide. Okay. Nope, you know what? I'm just not going to even. Okay, so, everybody loves nursery rhymes, right? What do you, like, what nursery rhymes do y'all know? Do you know one? Which one? Humpty Dumpty, that's actually our first one. So, I'll ask y'all in a second. But, okay, so Humpty Dumpty, how does it go? It goes, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, Humpty Dumpty had a great fall, all the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again, right? So, if I told you that nursery rhyme, I want you to tell me in one sentence what happened to Humpty Dumpty. Raise your hand. Yes.
Humpty Dumpty had a great fall.
He had a great fall. Yes.
Humpty Dumpty fell.
He fell. Yes. You're going to say what she says. Do you have anything different? Yes. you all just told me the main important things, like what basically happened, right? You didn't tell me all the details of it, and you put it in your own words. So, how about the itsy bitsy spider, which we have right here? So I'm sure you all know that. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout, down came the rain, and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. Right? Kind of a day like today, pretty rainy. So, what happened in the itsy bitsy spider? Yes, Marcus? He got hit by water. Anyone else just in the back? Do you have one?
He climbed up the water spout.
He tried to climb up the water spout. Yes.
Water washed the spider out.
And the water washed the spider out. Yes.
And the sun came up, tried to find rain, and the spider came up, stopped.
Came down again. Move back down. So you all give good reasons. Some of y'all used words from the text, and some of y'all put them in your own words, right? Well, that's the great thing about summarization, is that you put it in your own words, and it can help you understand what the text is trying to say. So we're going to be doing that today with our story Roll of Thunder, Hear My Cry. I told y'all that we were going to be making these together today. Yes. Who has ever had done a little fortune teller before? Plenty of you. When I was in school, we called them cootie catchers, so it's a little different. Yeah, we did. But these are little fortune tellers. Now, you're probably wondering, why in the world would we be making these, right? It's a little weird. But the thing says, get into the book, and when you play it, do it. Who would like to volunteer to come up?
Me.
Let's see. Timothy. Okay. We're going to show you how this works. So, Timothy, the words are get into the book. Pick one. Book. B-O-O-K. Book, read, write, or author. Pick one. T-H-O-R. Okay, now pick one. Right. Okay. So when I open it up, the question says, who were the main characters? So who are the main characters in Roll of Thunder, Hear My Cry?
Little man, Cassie,
Stacy. Stacy. And there's one more. Does anyone know that we've heard? Yes.
the teacher.
Teacher. Is there another character we've heard about so far? TJ. Good job. You can sit down. Thanks, bud. So these things help you because, as you can see when we make them, they'll have little different sayings and questions that you can use to help you ask questions, such as, what is the title of the story? Who are the main characters? Where did the story take place? What were the major events? What was the problem? So it's going to be great. While I'm passing these out, I have a little fun YouTube video that I've pulled up, and it has little aliens, and it's a little goofy, but I think y'all will enjoy it. I thought it was funny. Okay?
PME makes a summary. PME makes a summary. Oh, hello. Welcome to the library. I was just singing one of my favorite songs, the summary song. Beginning, middle, and end are my friends when I write a summary. When you write a summary, it's just like retelling a story, but you just include the main ideas of the beginning, middle, and end. You must start at the beginning, include the middle, and wrap